Hello, Mark's on our adventure. Today we're visiting Watkinsglen State Park in the falls there.
Located in the state of New York at the southern end of Seneca Lake of the Finger Lakes. So we thoroughly enjoyed this gorge, this state park. We hiked the gorge trail.
You wanna go?
Yeah. No steps or not?
I think you're gonna have to go down the steps eventually, no matter what. That way probably had no step.
Maybe I forgot to put the knee braces.
I was thinking that.
Little daddy long leg.
Where?
Right here. Ha! I had to help you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually pretty good. Whoa.
They did. What?
Look at the pond.
That's called Lily Pond.
Lily. Lily pond. Saving the hemlocks.
What is it? A hemlock, woolly, something, aphid-like insect.
It's, look, weight balls on the hemlock tree.
Art decorations. That's a bummer. Do you see these tags on them? I want to go to the other side and do that. Yeah, how do we get down there?
When we arrived, there was a tour bus there, and so we kind of came in with a great group of individuals. So we kind of went, we didn't even study our map, we just went.
So far so easy. I mean, so far so good.
When you get close.
It'll be the hill up that's going to be the confusing. What goes down must come up.
Exactly.
I'd rather go up and then come down.
Not sure I agree with you.
I'd rather hike up first and then come down the hill. That's the reward. There's the hose that pumps the water back up to the top of the falls.
Okay.
There's one over there too. So if you're on this side, are you stuck on this side?
I don't know.
That is why we wear our hiking shoes.
What?
That mud is why we wear our hiking shoes.
I forgot those to go get more nice shoes.
Yeah, a lot of people have brand new shoes on.
Well, my brand new shoes have been through mud already.
We'd recommend wearing hiking boots because there are muddy areas.
The day we visited, it was very crowded with people. It was a Saturday afternoon. Like Shannon mentioned, there was a tour bus, but it was pretty much shoulder to shoulder the whole way through. We only spent about an hour and a half to 2 hours on Saturday at the falls because we had obligations at the Owens Corning Museum in Corning, New York. So we kind of made this a 2-day.
We'd also recommend being prepared to get wet because you literally walk under a waterfall. But there are 19 waterfalls on this trail.
Path and that path.
It doesn't even look like a park.
Well, it's probably eroded more than it was at that time. I think it does. Come over here. It's rounded out on both sides. How did that hop can get over there? Go down. Are we good? Do we want to go up or down?
Eventually we gotta go up, so.
Does that say what that is?
This one is going to
Hell of a lot of steps.
Is it Coach's staircase?
What?
Coach's staircase? Okay, so we're right here.
So that's what takes us out then.
Yeah, we gotta walk.
And then
somehow.
there's an upper level. You remember the sign up at the top?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, we probably want to do this now. And then if we want to come back, then we can do the other end.
Yeah, probably.
And I don't think it'll be like this because
Right.
it's higher overall.
But did you go down or did you go up?
We went down. So it said it's a staircase of falls. So it's got to be higher on that end and then it flows down.
Okay. But how much farther down does this go?
I don't know. Well, the main entrance is right there, so it can't go much farther. That's what that leads to.
Like it's so hot.
So tomorrow, if we park there, we could probably see that end and then move up.
There are 832 steps on this trail.
Goodness gracious.
Oh, bridge. Bridge over troubled water.
Bridge?
Right there.
Oh, we missed the bridge. We'll have to come back tomorrow and do this end.
There's a wall right there.
They're actually walking into that. See, this walkway goes into that wall.
Steady wins the race.
That one.
Which way?
South entrance. That's where we came in.
This trail isn't considered difficult, however.
I would say it's easy, but as you'll see, there's some steep descents, or in our case, inclines that we navigated
On our way back.
on our way back from.
Yeah, which weren't necessarily part of the gorge trail, they were part of the other trail, but this is what you're seeing. So if you stay on the Gorge Trail and enter from the visitor center, that's probably the easiest and the most well-maintained portion.
Correct.
Is this trail ADA accessible, Andy?
Yep.
Ah, going down.
It's not. Only one way, but the other way no.
It's not going down either. It's rocky and roots. Might have to go back to the camper to refresh my deodorant.
Yeah, I think so.
Varmints.
Daddy long.
I can't get him. Where'd he go? It just keeps going. We wouldn't have been able to do this at all a year ago.
So just to give you a little history of this park, it started out as a resort area. At the top of the gorge, it was you'll see a sign of it was considered a romantic destination.
There's CCC Kinder.
They constructed the park
Read it.
stone walls.
Oh. So they also did it in here?
Yeah. Most state parks, I think they did, in each state. Oh, talk about the flood. Floods here are just amazing to read about and learn about. It was a romantic resort. Well, that's interesting. Wow, there were buildings there. We saw that yesterday. We went across that bridge.
And that actually burned, and that gentleman then it passed on or left it basically, and then his children inherited it. And
That's not the same bridge we went across.
Yeah, you have to keep going up and
Yeah,
up
there was
and
a
up.
flower mill here. But we've done most of it. It's just that we haven't. Because where did we look over yesterday? Up there?
Yeah.
Or was it farther
Way.
down?
I think it was further down.
Seneca.
like I said, there's 19 waterfalls in this gorge, and obviously we didn't count because it seems like it's, I don't know, it's just every turn.
Yeah.
And it's just a continual waterfall almost, it feels like. It's beautiful.
cars right there. Yeah. I wonder how that flower pot got in there. What?
But I would say, yeah, the water rises up and probably blows right through that. That'd be scary to see the water that high. You know? Hardly any people here. The time to come is early in the morning.
Think so?
Yeah, because yesterday it was just packed shoulder to shoulder. Today at what, 10 o'clock
On a Sunday.
on a Sunday, there's hardly anyone here.
There were buses of people here yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, those areas where it was hard to get through. We had to really get down
Yeah.
and try not to whack your head on the rock.
So we're wrapping up our time here at Watkins Glen State Park. We allowed really 2.5 days, or maybe 2 days, I guess,
2 days.
to do this park. But unless you really wanted to do every single hiking trail, you don't need 2.5 days to see the main part of this gorge.
And you could probably do it in a half a day.
Half
the
a day.
whole
Yeah,
thing.
the whole thing. So it's worth doing because it is beautiful, naturally beautiful. Oh, and I would recommend that you purchase before you come the Empire Pass. It's like I don't know, like a parking pass. So if you're going to multiple state parks in New York, it's worth the purchase because then they just scan your little card and you get in. Otherwise, it's at least $10 to park per day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.